This is the independent practice for 8.6. Hopefully you've had a chance to try these problems. We're going to do number 1 through 8, and let's see how you did. Swim practice will be no more than 35 laps. Now it could be more than 35. No, it'll be no more. So it could be 35 laps, but it's going to be no more than that. So I'm going to say P for practice will be, it could be equal, but it's going to be less than. So it'll be no more than 35 laps. P is less than or equal to 35. Okay. Kevin ran for less than 5 miles. He didn't run for 5 miles, it's only less. So it can't be equal. Okay. So I'm going to put Kevin, and he ran for less than 5 miles. Okay. The occupancy of the room must be less than 437 people. It can't be 437, so it's not equal to, but it has to be less than that. So we're going to say O for occupancy must be less than 437. Okay? Now we got to do some graphing on a number line. I'm going to do, let's see. Let's just do 0 here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So F has to be greater than 1. Because it's not equal, it has to be an open dot. So F has to be greater than 1. So I have an open dot, and I'm going greater. Now, I could check to see if these are all answers. Let's just pick 4, for example. 4, is 4 greater than 1? It is. So I went the right way. Okay, next one. X is less than or equal to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we're dealing with 5 here. Now, because it's less than or equal, I'm going to put a solid down because it could be equal, but we want to go less than. And let's check to make sure this works. Say 2. Is 2 less than or equal to 5? Yep. All right, let's do number 6. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. It's greater than or equal to 4, so it's a closed dot. And y is going to be greater, so you have to go to the bigger side. So let's check it. Let's do 7. Is 7 greater than or equal to 4? Yep. Okay. 2 more, 7 and 8. A rewritable compact disc must have less than 20 songs on it. Must have less than. It can't have 20, it has to have less than. So, we're going to do songs is less than 20. Okay, now we're going to graph that. We'll do 20 here, 21, 22, 23, 19, 18, 17. Okay, so it can't be equal, so I'm going to put an open dot here. And S has to be less than, so I'm going this way. And let's check it. Let's do 18. 18 less than 20? Correct. Okay. Now, this last is a chart. That's the last problem, number 8. If I have this symbol, it means greater than, and on the number line, I do an open dot because it's more than that number. Okay. Greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. And because it's equal to, it could be on the exact number. So it's a closed dot. Okay, less than. If something is less than, it's just like that. It's not less than or equal to, it's just less than. And when it's just less than, it's not the number, you do an open dot. The last one is less than or equal to. So, less than or equal to. Okay? Now, because it could be equal, you got to use a closed dot. That's important. If it's greater than and or equal, when anything is equal to, use a closed dot. But when it's only less than or if it's greater than, you use an open dot. Okay? Go ahead and see how you did, and then get ready to go on to the extra practice.